Good morning, students. In this lecture, we will discuss FET practical. You have to draw two characteristics in FET: drain characteristic and transfer characteristic. In drain characteristic, we have to draw or plot a characteristic between drain current and drain to source voltage when VGS is constant. This is junction FET. It has three terminals: drain terminal, gate terminal and source terminal. Here first we apply a potentiometer. This potentiometer is connected between gate and source, and this voltmeter is used to measure the voltage between gate and source. Between drain and source we apply another potentiometer, and this voltmeter is used to measure the voltage between drain to source, and this meter is used to measure drain current ID. First we fix the value of VGS at 0 volt, and then we increase the value of VDS from 0 to certain value of voltage and measure the value of voltage and corresponding current. Clear? Then the next is transfer characteristic. In transfer characteristic, we have to draw a plot between ID and VGS when VDS is constant. In transfer characteristic, we have to draw a plot or graph between ID and VGS, gate voltage between gate to source voltage at constant drain to source voltage. Object is study the characteristic of junction field effect transistor in common source configuration. Source is at ground, common source configuration, and then draw the characteristic between ID and VDS at constant VGS, gate to source voltage. These are the circuit connection, and circuit connection is made by the following steps. Connect First step, connect 15 volt DC supply to terminal 22 of potentiometer P2 and terminal 24 to the ground. The next step is connect terminal 23 to potentiometer P2 to the terminal 5 of resistance R3, and these are the following steps to make connection to draw drain characteristic of junction FET. These are the steps. These are the, there are total 17 steps. In this drain characteristic, this is minus 5 volt supply. So minus 5 volt supply, this terminal is connected to potentiometer, and next terminal is connected to the ground, and this is a variable terminal. This variable terminal is connected through a resistance to the gate. here you see that this is the connection. Variable terminal is connected through a resistance R1 to the gate, and this terminal minus 5 volt is connected to the potentiometer. This terminal of potentiometer. Ground is connected to the next terminal of potentiometer, and variable terminal is connected through a resistance to the gate. Similarly, this positive 15 volt is connected to the next potentiometer. This is connected to the next potentiometer, and this is connected to the ground. And variable terminal is connected through a resistance to the ammeter, positive terminal of ammeter, and this negative terminal is connected to the drain. Variable terminal of potentiometer is connected to the drain through a R2, and in between ammeter is connected. Positive terminal is connected and negative terminal is directly connected to the drain. This is ammeter, and in this case this ammeter. So this negative terminal is connected to the gate. And to measure the voltage applied between gate and source, we connect a voltmeter in between gate and source. Clear? When we want to measure the voltage between gate and source, then we connect this voltmeter between gate and source. And when we want to measure the voltage between drain and source, we connect this point. Simply this point is changed to the drain terminal. Then in that case, this voltmeter is connected between drain and source. To plot drain characteristic, we have to set the voltage between VGS. So by this potentiometer is connected between gate and source. So by this potentiometer, we adjust the value of voltage between gate and source to the 0 volt, and once voltage is fixed between VGS, then we change this connection to the drain terminal, and after that we by rotating this knob, we change the value of VDS and note the value of VDS from this voltmeter and corresponding value of ID from this ammeter. Then we change the value of VGS from this knob and set it at -1 volt, and then change this connection to the drain point, and again change the value of VDS and note the value of VDS and VGS. In this drain experiment, simply fix this voltage, then change this terminal to the gate terminal, this terminal to the drain terminal, and then change the value of VDS from this knob from 0 to certain voltage, and for different values of voltage we note the value of VDS and corresponding value of ID from ammeter. In this case, the voltmeter is applied between drain and source. Then this is the observation table. Output voltage VDS is calculated when VGS is 0 volt and value of ID is written in this table. For next graph, set the value of VGS is -1 volt and note the value of VDS and ID. Then for VGS is equal to -2 volt, note the value of VDS and ID and draw the plot between ID and VDS. The next graph is transfer characteristic graph. In transfer characteristic graph, these are the procedure or steps to make connection for transfer characteristic. These are the steps for to make connections for transfer characteristic. In transfer characteristic, as in previous case, in drain, so this -5 volt is connected to this point and ground is connected to the ground, and variable resistance is connected, or variable point of volt potentiometer is connected to a resistance to the gate, and this voltmeter is connected between drain and source, and this ammeter is connected here. This supply is connected to a resistance R3, then the positive terminal is connected and this negative terminal is connected to the gate. So this ammeter measures the current ID, this measures the voltage VDS, but in case of transfer characteristic, value of VDS is made constant. So you have to make a value of VDS constant. So put this by rotating this knob, set the value of VDS at suppose at 3 volt, and then change this connection, means change the connection at drain from the drain to the gate, because value of VDS is fixed. Then you change this the wire from drain to gate, and in this case, this voltmeter is connected between gate to source. Then by changing this knob for different value of VGS, for different value of VGS, you note the value of ammeter or ID, and then change this wire from gate to drain and fix the value of drain to source voltage at suppose at 4 volt, and then change the wire from drain to gate, and by using this knob for different value of VGS, you note the value of ID and draw the plot between ID and VGS. These are the steps for making connection or to connect FET in for transfer characteristic. In this connection, in this diagram, this wire is connected between gate and source, means this voltmeter is connected between gate and source, and by changing the knob this for different values of VGS, calculate the value of ID. Observation table for different values of VGS, when value of VD is constant, note the value of ID. Similarly, when value of VDS is 4 volt, note the value of ID for different value of VGS, and for similar for this. Object plot input and output characteristic or drain characteristic of FET and measure IDSS and VP. Apparatus required: FET drainer kit and connecting fluids, then write theory, procedure and observation table, then graph and result. Precaution and similarly for transfer characteristics. Okay, wait for a minute. I will show you the video of FET. Good afternoon, students. Today we will perform experiments of junction FET. In this experiment, we draw two characteristic, drain characteristic and transfer characteristic. First, we draw drain characteristic. In drain characteristic, we draw a graph between ID, drain current, and VDS, drain to source voltage, when value of VGS is constant. Value of VGS is constant when value of VGS is 0 volt. We draw a characteristic, then we change the value of VGS to -1 volt, draw the characteristic. Similarly, we draw different characteristic for different values of VGS. For drain characteristic, this is the connection. We make all the connections according to the which is given in figure, and in this experiment, this voltmeter is connected. This voltmeter is connected across the gate and source. So from here we apply 0 volt between gate and source, and then we change the connection to this point, and then we increase the value of drain to source voltage and measure the drain to source voltage from this voltmeter, and corresponding current is measured by this meter. This is the value of ID and this is the value of VDS, and VGS is constant, which is equal to 0 volt. Then we increase the value of VDS and note the value of VDS and corresponding value of ID. Next, we connect this point, this wire to this point, and we increase the value of VGS. In this, we give the value of VGS is minus 1.65 volt, and then we change the connection from gate to drain point, and then we increase the value of VDS from this point, and note the value of VDS corresponding value of ID. Then we increase the value of VDS and note the value of ID corresponding value of ID, and then we draw a plot between ID and VDS. Thank you. Good afternoon, students. In this experiment, we will draw the transfer characteristic of FET. Transfer characteristic of FET is drawn between drain current and VGS, gain to source voltage. Drain current is on the y-axis and VGS is on the x-axis. And in this case, value of VDS is constant. It means that for constant value of VDS, we draw a graph between ID and VGS. And this is the connection of for transfer characteristic, and we give a 3 volt supply, constant supply between VDS. Then we change this connection to the this point or gate point, and then we increase the value of voltage across VGS and note the value of VGS and corresponding value of ID. Here I am increasing the value of VGS, and there is an increase in ammeter value or ID value. By increasing the value of VGS, there is a decrease in the value of, there is a change in the value of current. Clear? So in this experiment, first we fix the value of voltage between VDS. In this case, in second case, we fix the value of voltage between drain to source voltage, which is 4.23, and then we change the connection from drain to source, and then we increase the value of VGS and note the value of VGS by this voltmeter, and corresponding value of ID is measured by ammeter, and then we plot a graph between ID and VGS at constant value of VDS. And this is the observation table. Value of VGS is noted in this column. Value of VDS is constant, which is given in this case 3 volt, and ID is noted in this column. Similarly, for value of VDS, when value of VDS is 4 volt, value of VGS and ID is noted in these two columns. Thank you. Hello. Class is over. Thank you.